car number 1 is Greg Dustin of Malone driving car number 1. Three cars still trying to find that trip. Hit there. The 24 car, Jason Marlowe, putting a stun on Chad Peter Malone in the 47 vehicle. As the mud and water and debris fly, Jason Marlowe mowing. Car number 15 still up and running. That's Justin Christie of Malone. Christie gets the ride from the back bumper of Jason Marlowe. Jason Marlowe backing up again, trying to get some traction in that mud. Marlowe goes it in hard once again. Marlowe was met by the back bumper of Chad James. Also entering the fray is Justin Tupi, car number 15. Tupi smoking, and I will need smoking. So 3 vehicles still going at it in heat number 1. Here at the Monday Night Demolition Derby at the Franklin County Fair. Chad King minus the tire on the back side, also missing a tire on the back left driver's side is Justin Tupi. These guys are giving it all they got. Tires are no tires here and not backing off. Car 24 maneuvers over here to the left and stage. Jason Marlowe trying to get around the dead body. Marlowe trying to see if he can get his car back to the center of the track. He's missing a tire on the left driver's side. So all 3 cars totaled on the back axle. And here comes Jason Marlowe trying to set him up for the kill. Marlowe banging. Jason Marlowe gives Justin Tupi a ride. Tupi retaliates, trying to get some traction on that tail rim. Car 47, let's give him a round of applause. Chad King of Malone, great job, Chad. Guy reaching a lot of cover right down to our rim. Trevor Isaac kicking is 24, Jason Marlowe. Marlowe trying to take this heat number 1. And car number 15, Justin Tupi, is sandwiched between 47, Chad King, and 17, Gerald O'Connor. If he can't get out, we're going to have a winner. And he's doing his darndest to try to get that number 15 car unwedged. But he is the center of an Oreo cookie right now. Shake and shimmy for all your work, Justin Tupi, as he tries to work that car free. And that's going to do it. Your winner of heat number 1 from Malone, New York, car 24, Jason Marlowe. Second place, the car 15 from Malone, Justin Tupi. And third place honors, and a great job, car